Alright, so are we
we're on.
We're shooting?
We're on.
Alright, so I don't measure the water. I just kind of play it by ear. Do it by, I guess, a certain amount of experience, but you don't want to add so much water that you're just creating a very soupy mix. But then you don't want it too stiff either. You need to add enough water. So usually what I do is just use a hose. And as I mix it, I only add a little bit of water at a time. Mix it, and basically as you get closer to where you think you have enough water, you add less and less water every time. But don't worry, if you do end up with too soupy a mix, too much water, and you got more concrete handy, you can always add more concrete to the watery mix to stiffen it up again.
So you want like a paste?
No.
Oh.
We'll see. So, just looking, what I've got on the top here is close to what all of it's going to be. What you're looking at there. You can see underneath there's still some dry concrete underneath. To me, this is a little bit wet, but it's not terrible. So I'm going to use this as it is. This is just the first. Probably going to need 4 bags. These are 40-pound bags I'm mixing, because that's what we had at Home Depot. Mixed all the concrete. It took more than 4 40-pound bags to fill this. It's 16 inches wide, about 4.5 inches high, and 33 inches long, I guess. So it took a little longer than, a little more concrete than I thought it would. So now, once it's all in, we want to mix up, because we poured it at different times, so we want to mix it up and try and consolidate it. So just using the shovel, I want to make sure that I'm up to the top and we can start smoothing it out. So I'm just using this to strike off the top of the concrete. So you can see that I'm a little low here in the corner. I'm going to add just a little more concrete. And mix it in with the rest of the concrete. It's already in there. And I see there might be a little low over here. Again, I'm going to strike off the top. This will help smooth off the top and also consolidate the concrete at the top. And that's about it, except for in order to...
Hello? Hello?
I'm coming back. Just give it a few taps. That way the concrete, any bubbles that are on the face against the plywood.
Who's there?
And the air will come out. And again, it'll consolidate the concrete at the face. So I think that's about it for now. A little later, when it's setting up, I'll come and I'll smooth it out a little more once it's setting up. Just give it a little smoother finish with a trowel on the top. All right?
Yep.